Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to replace videos in Canva YouTube Shorts templates? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly replace videos or images inside a YouTube Shorts template using Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next, tap Video. Scroll down and select YouTube Shorts. Canva will display many YouTube Shorts templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the video editor will appear automatically. To replace media, tap the video or image on the timeline. You can also tap the video or image directly on the canvas, then tap Replace. Choose the video or image you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original media with your selected file. Repeat the same steps for any other videos or images you want to change. Once you're happy with the result, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to share or download. For this example, tap download. If video quality options are available on your account, select your preferred quality, then tap download. And that's how to replace videos in Canva YouTube Shorts templates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.